Hi, my name is Alice. I'm a new student with Code to Dream. I first got interested in the tech field because I was told not to pursue it because it's for men, it's not for me. And if I'm really interested, I can just marry one in the field. And I continued pursuing my career in the tech field because I love problem solving and making things easier. I'm really excited for my class to start, especially for the mentor sessions, weekly mentor sessions where I get to ask questions about the assignments, projects, and also questions about job searching, interviews, and real life career advices from the people who are already in the field. So check out Code the Dream today, especially if you're an immigrant woman like me. We need more of your perspectives in the tech field to make it better and more equitable.